Alright guys, it's the Florida Man Airgun channel. Today we're going to be playing with the B&W S45, the world famous semi-auto 45 cal. A lot of people think this is an AEA gun. I'm going to correct you. This is from Ben and Wang, and it's a 45 cal. It's made in the AEA factory, but it's got different designers. And I'm loaded up with some 172 grain Texoma Atom slugs. Guys, if you're spending all kinds of money on these rifles, big amounts of money, especially on this is not a cheap gun. Go to Texoma Precision Ammo if you own this rifle. Get you some good slugs that aren't gonna jam or mess the gun up. He makes everything out of quality lead. He makes back plates for the magazines if you're worried about them blowing up on you or anything. He's just got a whole array of quality products. So we're gonna do a little bit of destructive testing. I got some water jugs and an old TV. So go over to Jim's website and show him some love over at Texoma Precision Airgun Ammo. He's got some really good products. And I will say that this gun, so far I love it. Taking a few pigs with it so far. I don't have anything bad to say about it. So let's get to it. Let me line this up. Got some swamp juice and some TV. I'm gonna back up to about 40 yards. Shooting offhand today. I still had one on the chamber. It's got a last round bolt hold in the magazine, so you know you're not jammed. All right. So. Definitely did the trick to the TV. And as you could hear, it was hitting the back side of my plates. Oh yeah, look at there. Shows you the expansion of Jim's ammo. And that's probably after hitting the plate and going through the TV. Oh, here's another one. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown about this rifle. And any gun can be a trash gun if you're putting trash ammo through it. And if you spend a few extra dollars, I always spend a few extra dollars on my ammo. Don't have any problems doing that. But I'd just like to thank Jim from Texoma for sending me some love, sending me a few slugs for this gun. I want to thank Sig Shooter, Bensac. This gun's amazing, man. It's already killed a few pigs and it's gonna kill some more. Please like and subscribe, guys.